大家好，我是小苗老师，一题一个小故事，带你无痛刷基金。今天我们讲的题目是听力 SST 第2题，道德。故事是这样的，深邃的哲学家经常会思考很多稀奇古怪的话题。今天他们探讨的话题是道德绝对主义和道德客观主义。他们把道德分成了2种，第一种是道德客观主义。哲学家解释说，这一类的道德会根据实际情况进行调整，会进行弹性的变化，是差不多先生的性格。就好比说，吃牛排、吃汉堡、吃面条、吃饺子，都是吃饭，原则不变，手段方式不一样而已。第二种是道德绝对主义，看字面意思就知道，这一类道德是非常绝对的，一就是一，二就是二，是钢铁直男的性格。比如说，有一些人比较固化，他们认为吃饭就一定要是吃米饭才可以。好，所以这一道题目的话呢，只需要记住一个点，2种道德主义之间的不同。道德客观主义是可以变的，道德绝对主义是不可以变的。好，接下来听音频对文本，注意标红的地方就是关键词。
With the concept of moral objectivism, basically what we're looking at is the idea that there can be some universal moral principles, some rules, some ideas and guidelines that are valid for all people in all social environments and all situations. The idea that we can essentially have some signposts or a road map to guide behavior is going to be consistent across all individuals. Now, if we take a look at this in another perspective, we can come up with a view of moral absolutism. In the area of moral absolutism, basically, what we have is illustrated on the right-hand side of this slide, is a very firm and unyielding boundary between what is right and what is wrong. And so, within moral absolutism, basically what you have are these non-overridable principles. They must be followed, they must never be violated, and there were no exceptions. It is always right, it is always wrong. And nothing is subject to interpretation, and nothing is dependent upon the situation.
好，最后这是答案，记得截图。